love my job. What do you want to do when you're older? Let's find out about some really amazing jobs. Warren, video game animator.
I'm a video game animator. I draw the people in video games. First, I draw the person, then I make the person move. An animator must work very slowly and carefully.
Martina, zoo vet.
I take care of animals at the zoo. Most vets work with dogs and cats, but I see birds, snakes, turtles, giraffes and elephants. In this picture, I'm taking care of a parrot.
Mike, Foley artist.
I make sounds for TV programs and films. When you're watching a bird on TV, you hear the bird's wings. I make those sounds in a studio. To make the sound of a bird's wings, you must move a pair of gloves. Listen. You try it.
Alison, rocket engineer.
I build rockets. I look at a design and I put the parts of the rocket together. Our rockets take people to the International Space Station. Isn't that exciting? I love my job.